Hi guys, Penelope here, and I'm going to share with you more about awesome native Australian wildlife. So here with me today I have a barn owl. This is Penny. So she is one of our beautiful barn owls. Barn owls are actually found on almost every single continent around the world except for Antarctica. So these guys are found all around Australia and have actually done really well since settlement. We've provided endless food source. These guys are nocturnal hunters and they actually have exquisite senses. So you can see she's got really large, beautiful eyes, and her ears are actually about the same size as her eyes and sit behind, I don't actually have food. They sit behind her beautiful heart-shaped face, just behind those feathers there, and they're actually slightly at different heights. This actually helps her have a really good depth perception, which is pretty cool. So the feathers around her face are actually specially designed to help that sound travel into her ears. So on that note, she can actually hear things that can potentially be under a foot of snow, which is absolutely amazing. That is probably her best sense. So these guys are birds of prey, and something common with birds of prey is hunting with their feet. So you can see that she's got two talons facing backwards and two facing forwards, so she'll grab onto her prey. That is what she is meant to do. So this beautiful girl was hand raised as a little rescue, and so now she's got a nice home here with us. So not only does she have those really cool senses, these guys actually also have specially designed feathers for hunting. So if you look a little bit closer, you can possibly see that her feathers actually end in almost a comb-like ruffle. This allows silent flight, which is absolutely necessary because these guys are focusing so much on sound and hearing their prey. If their flying is too loud, they're not actually going to be able to hear their prey anymore. It could potentially even hurt their ears, and then it would also inform their prey. So these guys actually make really good hunters, and people will sometimes even keep them on their properties for pest control. So generally they'll live and hunt on nice open land, and something that we've actually suggested people to do, put up a nest box big enough for 2 barn owls. So these guys will go in a pair, and then they'll hunt up to 5 mice per night, which is far more effective than any other means of reducing pests. However, in that, we just, suggest to not bait mice. So that's one way that you can help our beautiful native barn owls, is by not baiting the mice, because if they eat too much of the poison mice, it can make them pretty sick to the point of even potentially killing them. So there you have it, another little fun thing that you can do to help these guys survive in the wild. Thanks guys!